In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in Asana. If you've been navigating project workflows and want to mark significant stages within your projects, milestones are an essential tool. They're like checkpoints that help you and your team stay aligned and celebrate progress. Let's walk through the process of setting these up in Asana together. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. Once there, you'll see the Login button at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you have a Google account, you can make logging even more convenient by selecting Continue with Google. Choose your account, and you're one step closer to setting those milestones. Once you're logged into Asana, it's time to navigate to the specific project where you want to create milestones. Find your project easily from your dashboard. The visual layout should help guide you directly to where you need to be, and if you've worked in Asana before, you'll likely have a good sense of navigating these menus. Now, within your project, look towards the top and locate the Add Task drop-down. This menu is versatile and will be your gateway for adding a variety of elements, including milestones. Click on the drop-down and you'll see several options unfold for you. Among these options, you'll find Milestone listed. Click on Milestone and you're effectively on your way to marking an important project checkpoint. This simple click helps you indicate a significant achievement or deadline within your project timeline. Next, it's time to give your milestone a name. Type in a clear and descriptive title that makes its purpose or significance instantly recognizable for you and your team. This naming convention will help everyone involved quickly understand what the milestone represents without needing to delve further into details right from the start. Once you've named your milestone, click on it to open up additional fields where you can add more detailed information. Here, you can flesh out the milestone with any pertinent descriptions, due dates, or other specifics that might be necessary for your team. Don't hesitate to include notes that explain what reaching this milestone entails or why it's crucial to your project's success. And there you have it, a new milestone set within your Asana project. Remember, milestones can be powerful tools for tracking progress and ensuring team alignment. Each milestone can be a moment to pause and recognize accomplishments before moving on to the next phase of your project. It's a great way to keep everyone motivated and aware of how far you've come and what lies ahead. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to elevate your project management with milestones in Asana. Happy planning!